The date function returns the sequential serial number that represents a particular date. By default, Excel uses January 1st, 1900 as serial number 1. Let's see how it works. Select a cell. Type equal, date, open parenthesis. The date function has 3 arguments, year, month, and day. Specify year. Excel interprets the year according to the date system your computer is using. Type comma, specify month. Type comma, specify day. All arguments should be integers. Close parenthesis. Hit enter. If number format is set to number, function will return a sequential serial number. To display a proper date, you will have to change the number format.